Hello friends, how you all doing? Not long ago I made a video about air balloon popping with the help of orange peel. And it all happens because of the chemical in the orange peel which calls limonene. In today's video I'm gonna show you something else about limonene. Apparently limonene is not only good for popping air balloons, but it's also flammable. Alright, let's check this out. Watch this, guys. Let's look at this closer. Look at that. Don't try this at home, guys. But it does make a pretty cool fire. Wow, that was awesome. Isn't it cool? Alright, let's see what happens if I try to burn the entire orange peel. Look at this, it's not even catching on fire. There's a lot of moisture in the orange peel, that's why it's not happening. That's pretty interesting actually. And this is what happens. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time. Oops.